Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 24th, 2024, we're diving into Microsoft stock, to see what the charts are telling us. Recent headlines have been mixed for Microsoft. On the one hand, analysts are concerned about slowing cloud growth and the company's reliance on NVIDIA chips for its data centers, potentially leading to decreased operating margins and job cuts. This concern is reflected in the recent downgrade of Microsoft from buy to neutral by D.A. Davidson analyst Gil Luria, who believes competitors like Amazon and Google Cloud are catching up in cloud computing. However, on the other hand, Microsoft's recent $60 billion share buyback plan and 11% dividend increase have been seen as positive developments by some investors, boosting the stock price. The market is currently reacting to this conflicting news, and the charts can give us valuable insights into how traders are interpreting these events. Let's take a look at the daily chart of Microsoft. We can see that the stock has been in a strong uptrend for the past few months, with several higher highs and higher lows. However, the recent downgrade has caused a significant pullback, and the stock is now trading near a key support level at around $315. This support level was previously a resistance level, and it's important to note that the stock has bounced off this level several times in the past. If the stock breaks below this level, it could signal a bearish continuation of the pullback and a move towards further support levels. However, it's also important to consider the recent share buyback program and dividend increase, which could provide support to the stock price. This support could be even stronger if we see positive news regarding Microsoft's cloud business or its AI initiatives. It's important to watch the price action around this $315 support level closely. If the stock can hold above this level, it could signal a potential reversal of the pullback and a continuation of the uptrend. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see how the stock has been trading over the last few hours. Here, we can see that the stock has been consolidating between $330 and $335, with a slight downward bias. The recent downward bias could be attributed to the downgrade and the broader market pullback. The stock is now trading near the lower end of this consolidation range, and if it breaks below this range, it could signal a continuation of the pullback and a move towards further support levels. However, if the stock can hold above the $330 support level, it could signal a potential reversal of the pullback and a continuation of the uptrend. It's important to monitor the volume and momentum of the stock to determine its direction. Let's narrow our focus further and look at the 15-minute chart to see the most recent price action. This time frame can show us the short-term sentiment of traders. We can see that the stock has been trading in a tight range for the past few minutes, indicating indecision among traders. The stock is currently trading near the lower end of this range. If the stock breaks below this range, it could signal a short-term bearish bias. However, if the stock can hold above the range, it could signal a short-term bullish bias. It's important to monitor the price action and volume closely on this time frame to determine the short-term direction. In conclusion, Microsoft is currently facing conflicting signals. The news is mixed, with both positive and negative factors affecting the stock price. The charts show a recent pullback and a possible continuation of this pullback, but they also suggest potential support levels that could trigger a reversal. The key price levels to watch are the $315 support level on the daily chart and the $330 support level on the 1-hour chart. The stock is currently trading near the lower end of a consolidation range on the 15-minute chart. Short-term bullish bias could occur if the stock can hold above this range, while short-term bearish bias could occur if the stock breaks below the range. Ultimately, the direction of Microsoft will depend on the market's reaction to the news and the overall market sentiment. If the market rallies, Microsoft could follow suit, while a continued market pullback could lead to further weakness in the stock. It's also important to monitor any developments related to Microsoft's cloud business, its AI initiatives, and the broader technology sector. These developments could influence the price action of Microsoft. Keep an eye on volume and momentum to determine the strength of any potential trend reversals. Stay tuned to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analyses of Microsoft and other major assets.